Hello. Trust me, it's about to get uglier. Today, we're doing a makeup video thing. Yay. I'm a little annoyed, if I'm honest, because literally seconds before I filmed this, I found out that Article 13 has gone forward, so I'm not happy. Am I gonna get sued because I'm wearing a Game of Thrones shirt? I don't know if it even matters now, if it can still if anything can be done now that it's gone through, but there is a petition that has been going around online about stopping Article 13, so I will leave that in the description. Please, if you haven't already, sign it. I'm not really sure the entire specifics of it. I just know that this is going to be really impactful on YouTube as a platform, which is a platform that's incredibly important to me, and I'm sure it's very important to you as well. It will change everything, and not for the better, and not just YouTube, just any social media will be affected. If anything can be done about it, I think the best way forward is showing that nobody actually wants this, and one of the best ways for Parliament to see that is through a petition, I think. So please, again, I don't know if I'm just saying all of this for nothing, it might not even help in any way, but please go and sign this petition, and don't just think like, oh, other people will sign it, my signature won't matter. That's really not the case. We need every single signature possible. Anyway, on a lighter note, a completely different note as well, I'm going to be doing a makeup video today, but it's not like a tutorial or anything. I stole this idea from Antonia Garza because originality is dead. I will leave her channel in the description, as well as the video that she made on this, because it's most likely better than mine. This is basically a challenge where I'll be putting on all of the makeup that I own onto my face. This is going to be great for my skin. This can go one of two ways. Either this is going to go how I intend and I will look disgusting, or there won't be that much difference, because I don't have that much makeup, if I'm honest. I just have this very small basket of makeup products that I will be putting onto my face today. So the way that I'm going to work this is I'm going to completely empty this basket, and I will work on refilling it through the course of this video. The only thing I am going to not include as including all of my makeup onto my face is using all of my brushes, because I don't really see the point in that, and technically they're not makeup themselves, so yeah, but other than that I will be putting on everything that I own. So there we have it, an empty basket with eyeliner sharpenings. Lovely. Let's get right into it. Firstly, I'm going to get rid of this just so it's out of the way, so it won't annoy me throughout the course of this video, so 1 second. Okay, that's not the neatest it could be, but who cares. Right, so the first thing that I'm going to be putting on is this bubblegum lip scrub from Lush. Please focus, thank you. We got one item, you can't even see it. One item. I'm not going to show it every time because that's just going to take forever. Right, the next thing I'm going to be using is the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Mattifying Base. I have no idea if I said that right. It's just a primer. Okay, off go your glasses.
No, 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 no.
Right, this is where things are going to start going wrong. This is the Fright Club love the name, but the Fright Club white foundation from Primark. I bought this for a look on Halloween, and it's just kind of been sat in my makeup tub because obviously I haven't been able to use it for anything else until now. I love how I'm so pale that you can barely see the difference when I put this on. Oh no, that's coming out on camera. Honestly, the only actual scary look that's going to come out of this is going to be from this video, let's be honest. Wow! This is probably going to be a mistake. For somebody who's kind of into makeup, I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, I already look horrifying. The next thing I'm going to be using is the Rimmel Match Perfection foundation. She is beauty, she is grace. I just look ill. I actually look like a dead person. The next thing I'm going to be applying is some clear mascara. This is from the Natural collection. I put this on my eyebrows because I have curly and very bushy brows that don't really have much shape to them. Clear mascara usually keeps them straight and in place, so when it comes to actually doing my eyebrows they don't just look like slugs. Just gonna put that on my brows. Now for concealer. Now I've got a couple of I have several concealers. Now this is quite worn, I apologise, but I'm pretty sure it is the Collection Lasting Perfection concealer. If the earth is round, why is my brush like this and not like this? I'm just destroying everything right now. Hear me out before I say this. You know how there's that technique where if you use a lighter concealer than your skin tone, it can help with highlighting? I use the lightest shade of concealer because I am white, therefore I can't do this. But I usually do it with the green concealer. Oh, I didn't say which thing this was. This is the Collection Primed and Ready Correct and Conceal palette thing. This is the moment where everybody starts to cringe. Does anybody that wears makeup actually know what they're doing? I don't think they do. I think it's all a lie. 2 out of 3 liquid concealers used. Okay, and then we'll do the third and final layer of the Primed and Ready concealer that comes with the Collection palette, and just dab that onto any spots that you can still see. I love how I'm turning this into a tutorial even though literally nobody is going to be doing this as a look. What am I doing? Am I pretty? So now we are going to start with baking. I'm going to use a pressed powder from Collection. I'm not going to show you it because it's manky. Look. Right, moving on. I'm now going to put on some lip balm. For some reason I have 2. Now I'm going to put on some bronzer. I haven't planned a look for this, which was probably a mistake. I'm literally just making this up as I go along. I look like a drug addict. Then I'm gonna go in and contour my nose. Fit. This normally does not look this terrible. I am going to be using all of these shades on my eyes today. Okay, right. Marty, I'm scared. I love how I'm low-key trying to make this look good, even though we both know that this just isn't going to go wrong. It's already going wrong, but part of me thinks that maybe, just maybe, it might go wrong. I currently look like I've been punched in the face. I honestly look like I've been crying, which isn't far off what's happening right now. I don't know what I'm doing. This was a mistake. That is awful. What is that? Oh my god. Do you ever just find yourself thinking that my entire life has led up to this moment. Oh my god. Because right now, I'm trying my best not to do that. I have a lot of eyeliners for somebody who doesn't wear eyeliner that much. I went through a phase of trying to do eyeliner, but just didn't work for me. I just have to accept that it doesn't suit me. But that, you know what, that's okay, because it just means that I'm not spending an hour every morning being really stressed, trying to get wings even. So, who's really laughing now? This is a free eyeliner. Why does it work so well? I'm even in frame right now. Blue eyeliner is applied. She is cosmic. She is a mess. If anyone knocks on my door right now, am I gonna try a wing? Yeah, okay. I haven't practiced eyeliner in a really long time, as you can probably tell. I'm gonna do my eyebrows because I need eyebrows ASAP. The Nintendo Direct is on in half an hour, and if they don't announce Reignited, I'm suing. Ew. I am crying on the inside right now. Oh, those bad boys. Right, now for mascara. I own two, because this one's running low, so I bought a new one. Ooh. Oh no, that's clumpy as heck. While that's drying, I'm gonna put on some blush. Why do I feel like I low-key look good? So I'm just gonna go in with the red. This is why I need a lip liner. Because all of the gaps aren't filling. Ay ay ay. Is this even gonna show? Probably not. I'm going to start applying my fake freckles because I do have freckles. They're very faded at the minute because it's winter, but I do have them. And because, as you guys saw, it's not far from my typical routine, as I'll tend to put like a bajillion layers of foundation and concealer on, but you can't see them by the end of my makeup applications, so I usually just kind of add them back in. I'm going to start with the NYX Epic Ink Eyeliner. Just gonna very lightly. Okay, I'm now gonna go in to my lips with this lipstick that I got from Claire's. I got it for Halloween thinking it was black, but it turned out to be really dark blue, so I don't care about ruining this because I am never gonna wear dark blue lipstick. And now, for the moment we've all been waiting for, the final makeup application, which is this glossy stuff that I've never used. There we go! We are done! Why did this low-key go well? This is the finished look. Anyway, if you liked this video, feel free to give that like button a little clicky. If you want to see more makeup videos from me, do let me know. Do feel free to rate this look in the comments, and also do subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Of course, share with your friends, turn on that little notification bell so you will never miss an upload, and I think that's me done for today. I will see you next Wednesday. Tally ho!